Welcome back to Program Logic and Design. In this section, we're going to be discussing creating hierarchy charts. Alright, hierarchy charts shows the overall picture of how modules are related to one another. They tell which module exists within a program and which modules actually calls others. Its specific module may be called from several locations within a program. Let's have a look at figure 2.9, which is found in your textbook on page 61. You should be familiar with hierarchy charts already from other courses. Now, this is a hierarchy chart for an organization. The chart shows who reports to whom, not when or how often they report. Now, programmers use something similar to this to show the overall picture of how modules are related to one another. So a hierarchy chart does not tell us what tasks are being performed within the module. In other words, if you have a look at your main program here, you're already familiar with this. So basically, we've got our main program. We are calling on our housekeeping. We are calling our detailed loop, and we're calling our end of job. We are not finding out how they're being called. We're not finding out when they're called or why they're being called. We just know that the main program is calling detailed loop, housekeeping, and end of job. All right, if you have a look at figure 2.11, shows the billing program hierarchy chart. We have our main program, which calls on our receive order module, our process order module, and our bill customer module. Now, within our receive order module, our confirm module and check availability module are called from our receive order module. And confirm module, what does he call? He calls on the print customer data module as well as the print item data module. For our bill customer module, he calls on three different modules within the body of his module. He calls on the calculate bill module, the calculate tax module, and the print bill module. Print bill module, within his body of his module, he's calling on the print customer data module as well as the print rest of bill module. Can you find which module is used twice in this hierarchy chart? Yes, you can see print customer data module is used twice. And when they are used twice, you blacken the corner of each box to indicate that that module is used twice within the entire program. So our hierarchy chart is a planning tool to develop the overall relationship of program modules before you write them. And hence it is a documentation tool to allow us to help others see how modules are related after a program is written. For example, if the tax laws changes and a program must be asked to rewrite the calculate tax, you will see as the programmer changes the calculate tax module, the hierarchy chart shows other dependent modules that might be affected. So what's going to be affected if you change calculate tax module? How would you create a hierarchy chart? Three ways. Microsoft Visio, which you should be learning now, PowerPoint, as well as Microsoft Word. PowerPoint and Microsoft Word will be the same. You'll just go Insert, Smart Art. You will go to Hierarchy, and there are all your hierarchy tables and hierarchy charts to choose from. Insert, Change, etc. Done. So a hierarchy chart is very useful for kind of getting the big picture in a quite complex program. Next video, where I'll be discussing the features of good program design.